Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Happy start to Memorial Day weekend. It is Friday afternoon, and it is cocktail time with Jamie. So, hello. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I appreciate all your support. What a year and a half this has been. I see some people logging on now, so thank you. Hello, Joel. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you want to see me make a drink of the day, please drop me a drink that you'd like to see me make. As the season is changing, of course, our drinks are changing. I don't make as many bourbon drinks in the summer as I do in the winter. We do more mojitos and margaritas and lots of fun, fruitier drinks coming into the summertime. So happy afternoon to everybody. Good afternoon. Thank you. Hello, Susan. Hello, Sean. Hello, Ralph. Hope everybody is gearing up for this Memorial Day weekend. Unfortunately, it's not going to be the sunny, warm weekend that we would all like. So Aroma Time will be serving inside most of the weekend. We might be doing a little bit of outside depending upon the rain and the weather, but be prepared to be inside. If you are not comfortable being inside, we always have to-go available. So please give us a call, place your to-go orders ahead of time. Give us plenty of time, give us plenty of notice. Go online, look at our menu. We always have $9.99 specials every week. This week is beef tips with broccoli and rice, teriyaki. And then on Sunday, we have our shrimp scampi special with rice and broccoli for $9.99 to go as well. We also have our awesome ribeye special. It is $34.99 for 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. And you can order sides, you can order desserts, you can order more food. So if you're having a group of people at your house this weekend and you don't want to cook, please let us do the cooking for you. Come pick it up and enjoy at home. If you'd like to come into Aroma Time for dinner, I highly recommend reservations. We have limited tables, so there are not that many tables inside. So please make sure that you give us a call ahead of time. We are booking up quickly for tonight and for tomorrow night. We do have the bar available. There is takeout available. And also we do have some tables. So please don't forget about us, even though it's rainy. And then Monday it's supposed to be beautiful. So I'm assuming from 5 o'clock on, we will be busy out in the garden. So, ooh, Ralph is dropping some ideas. Cucumber margarita or mojito. Do you deliver to Lake Worth, Florida? I'd love to, Tammy. Believe me, I will be down there soon. So don't worry, I will deliver something. I know you are in the need of Cab Franc down there in Florida. So I'd be happy to bring you some New York Cab Franc. And let's see. So gearing up for the weekend. Get out when you can. Get a hike in if you can. Not sure what the weather is really going to be like. You know, it is calling for rain. I don't know if it's 100% or not, but enjoy your weekend anyway. It is a start to the summer. It is a start to busy. The streets will not be closing down tonight. So Marcus is making an espresso over there, which sounds delicious. And all right, so let me go ahead and make you my Vodka Thyme lemonade. So I am going to start with my glass. I'm going to start with my thyme agave that I have made ahead of time. Oh, and stay tuned. Monday, I believe I'm gonna have a special guest who's going to be making a cocktail. So stay tuned for Monday. I'm excited about that. I'm excited to taste her cocktail. Talked about it last night, so stay tuned. Hopefully we can get that together for Monday so I can do a live with my friend. She makes her own, what is it called? Syrups. So she made a really cool syrup. This is a thyme agave syrup. So Marcus took lots of time, put it in agave, boiled it down for a little bit, infused the agave. So I am going to start with a little bit of thyme agave. Ooh, you can smell that thyme in there. I am going to add 2 ounces of vodka. And I am making a lemonade, so I'm gonna add some lemon juice. And again, you can make this as sour as you'd like, as sweet as you'd like. You know, when you're making drinks at home, it's all up to you. So, you know, that's the fun part about playing around with your drinks. I am going to add some soda to this. taste it and make sure, because sometimes I like a good lemonade. Oh wow, does that thyme come out in there? So I'm gonna top it off with some ice. All right, top that off with some ice. I'm going to add a piece of lemon to it. And there I have it. So add a little lemon. There I have my thyme lemonade. You can make lemonade vodka. You can flavor it with whatever you'd like. You know, if I was really thinking, we just got in awesome pamplemousse liqueur, blood orange liqueur. We also just got in this new rum 44 from Mad River in Vermont. This will be our new well rum. We're gonna be switching our well vodka to LIV, Long Island Spirits, their vodka. We had a lot of cool things that came in today. I had 4 orders come in, about 10 cases. Super excited. We got a new Barolo. We got this new Sauvignon Blanc came in. It's in my fridge, ready to go.
Oh yes, I forgot about that.
Turnbull Sauv Blanc just came in from Oakville, Napa.
Oh, we were there?
We were here, so really excited about this, about that Sauvignon Blanc, so that'll be on our list. So if you're a Sauvignon Blanc lover like I am, you will love this wine. So, you know, we have a lot of cool things. Come in, get your wine, get your spirits, take them home, make drinks at home, go through my recipes, go through my Facebook Lives, and enjoy trying to make some drinks at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste my Vodka Thyme lemonade. Delicious. Nice and refreshing. And I think that's it. Order to go this weekend if you can't get out. Support your local restaurants. And that is it for today. Have a wonderful weekend. If I can get on tomorrow, I will certainly try to get on tomorrow or Sunday. But stay tuned for a special guest on my Monday Facebook Live.
I don't even know who it is.
You do know who it is. You were there for the whole conversation last night, but that's okay. I'm calling Marcus out. So,
Okay, I know who it is.
all right, everybody have an awesome weekend, and I will see you over the weekend or on Monday. Cheers, everybody.